Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to see about the detail in the auto scaling groups. In the last video we have created the auto scaling groups. If anyone don't know, I will be adding a link into the description part. You can go and watch from there. So quickly I'm just going to the auto scaling groups, and where I've launched my auto scaling groups. This is my auto scaling, and we have also added with the configurations also. So this is my auto scaling groups running. Let's wait. Yeah, this is the configuration. In the last video we have seen about the how to launch the configurations part and auto scaling group. So our auto scaling groups has been running. So just click on the auto scaling parts, and this all are the things which we have configured in the last videos, all this part. So we are going to see about the what all the things has been configured in the last part. So status, we have updated in the load balancer part. If you can go and you can quickly check the load balancer has been attached over there. Then automatic scalings. Okay, so we are going to see about these automatic scalings. There are certain three ways where you can use these automatic scalings. So first of all, we have a schedule actions. Okay, first of all, what is the let me quickly yeah. So if you're talking about the schedule actions are nothing but it's generally a type of a cron job. Like suppose we schedule for the particular part, we know the future disaster, what the disaster gonna come. Suppose we are just scheduling, like if that after 2 days, if this certain things happen, if we know the predictability of the after 2 days, like if this gonna happen, so just scale up to 5, scale up to 7, scale up to 9. So this is the one of the things where you can create with the schedule actions. You can generally specify the cron jobs also. Like in the cron we write per minute, like after that 0 0. So it depends on us. We are just adding with the cron job and cron tabs like that, and we are specifying with the start time when you want the start time should be there. Suppose right now our auto scaling groups are working fine, but we know from tomorrow there will be certain disaster gonna come up. So there the schedule actions been play a certain and crucial role in this part. So coming to the next, we have a predictive scaling group. So predictive scaling groups are the nothing but based on the historical data. It's helped into the scaling groups, scale out. We generally use like tools like ML, machine learning tools, AI tools, which helps into creating these policies over on the predictive scaling groups. Like we generally give behavior like from the past year, like they have already defined into there based on the historical data, and they scales out capability advanced for forecast absolutely. Like if you have seen if we see about the forecast part, so we or suppose when we see about the productive part, so there's a machine learning models behind the scene work. They train their data according to that. They see like, yeah, if the 60% utilization is there, so they will automatically launch certain things for you. Okay, but right now these two things are been there. First of all, we have seen about the scheduling actions, and second we have seen about the predictive scaling. Now we are going to quickly see about the dynamic scaling. Dynamic scaling, one of the most used dynamic scaling. Dynamic scaling is nothing but it's just gives us the alarm when you want the things to be triggers, when you want the things to be launched, and all those part. We have seen this also, like if you want tracking scale, CPU utilization, like we are just starting with the alarms part, like application load balancer request per count. So these all are the like auto scaling groups, or I can say like scaling groups, automatic scaling. These are the three ways where you can automatically scale your things. Okay, behind the scene our instances are also running, like as the apps, if certain capacity of above 50% it goes, it will automatically launch. Suppose these two are running into these two certain regions, A1 and A2 in south, A and AB. Okay, and these two are been running over here, and if you want to check the load with the load balancer parts also, like also our load balancers are running. This we have created ASG, and these are the two availability zones. So behind the scenes, this is the working of the auto scaling groups, and if you want to configure more behind the scene, you can go and you can just trigger the CloudWatch, and you can create the more into the deep down triggers into those parts. So you can just have alarms and the alarm supporting on those parts. You can you can see the CloudWatch metric says if you want like on this particular time what is the usage or happenings and all this particular part. So all about this in the auto scaling groups. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.